Introducing the DEXTERO Touring DTR1. DEXTERO Touring DTR1 is an all-season touring tire designed for passenger and crossover vehicles. The DTR1 delivers all-season performance with precise handling and control in wet and dry, and a quiet, comfortable ride. The DTR1 combines a smooth ride, all-season performance, and value, including a 45,000-mile limited warranty. With over 50 sizes, most made in the USA. DEXTERO Touring DTR1 is really smooth and quiet, but the DTR1 is tough too. Tough enough to stand up to the competition. In fact, in head-to-head independent testing, they outperformed a very popular tire from a leading manufacturer in ride comfort, highway and wet handling, dry and wet braking, and tread wear. How? The DEXTERO Touring DTR1's tread design is computer optimized to provide balanced wet and dry performance. And the wear-resistant all-season tread formula with synthetic SBR and nanometer technology delivers performance in wet and light snow and long tread life. And large shoulder blocks improve rigidity for precise handling and cornering. And 4 wide main grooves and lateral grooves enhance water and slush drainage to improve wet grip, handling, and safety. DTR1 features advanced noise-canceling technology for a quiet ride. DEXTERO tires have been available at Walmart for almost a decade, with tons of satisfied customers. For a smooth, quiet ride, all-season performance, more miles, and more savings, get to know DEXTERO. And the DEXTERO Touring DTR1, available only at Walmart.